It's a house that's pink, it's ugly and gay. Might as well just die. Oh my god, oh my god. So stupid. No joke, I'm probably gonna kill myself because look where I am. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh. On someone's property. Oh my god, it's a dog. Oh god. Oh god. Ew. Ew. Okay, wait, what's that sound? Is it another dog? It's super ugly. Ew. La la. Doggy. Oh, dumb doggy. Oh. This video is making fun of Mr. Kane and whatever his name is. I don't know his name, but his video sucks. Like, half of it was running. Like, what the heck was that? I mean, seriously. How stupid can you be to make a video of just running? When he's also stupid, my brother and my sister and my other sister. Just so stupid. I hate them. Yeah, they're gay. It's so annoying. Especially my younger brother. He's so stupid. He thinks he's the best at everything. Yeah, he's gay. I hate him. I hope he dies. Yeah, that's true. You will never know. But he's so annoying. I hope he dies. Oh my god, he's just like, oh my god, he's so his little face. Like, take that. One of those take that down. He's the one who made that, by the way. He's stupid. He's in town, lots of them. I don't know what this is. That's weird. I don't know what this dog's name is, but it's ugly. Ew, it's a metal flower. What is with metal flowers these days, eh? Metal flower. Pink house. Orange house. Rusty gate. Ew. God, it's so rusty. Rain or something. Oh god. Little kids. Meow! Uh-oh. Better take this off. Uh-oh. Little kids. I don't know Now, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm making a really ugly happy video for some random reason. Like, look at this unfinished grill. Oh my god. My spouse. Also my gay little brothers. Let's go in this garage. Ooh, my ugly car. Well, my mom's ugly car. God, it's so annoying. Oh my god, this. Look at it. So ugly. Oh god. Going out to the front. Oh yes, I hate it. So ugly. God. So it dies. What in the heck is this? What is that? Ew. Oh my god, look at my shadow. It's scary. God. Yes, that's exactly what I just did. Ugly doggy. Ugly doggy. Doggy, come here. Come here. Ugly shadow. God. The worst part about it is my gay brother. He's tall and thin like me. Like, seriously, like, what in the heck are you doing? Yeah. Ugly. It's an ugly dog with an ugly paws. Oh my god. Ugly fence. Ugly. Ugly. Everything's ugly. I hate it. God. See in there? It's ugly. 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 Whatever that is. It's ugly. And